Hey, Steve Basic Architect. We're out here at our House in the Woods project. So, we talked about it. We're using SHOU SUGI BAN siding. This is a 1x8 and it's got a lap joint, so there is a little bit of a V to that. But you can see that charred skin. And I'll do a video about the specs on this. I just wanted to give you the quick rundown here. But one of the details that I like is, rather than miter or deal with the corners, we actually just did a black corner bead on there. You can see it runs all the way up and finishes off that corner quite nicely and just kind of fades into the darkness of that SHOU SUGI BAN siding. So gorgeous stuff, gorgeous stuff. I don't know if I'd put it on my house, but they're definitely, I have an appreciation for it and how beautiful it looks. All right, Steve Basic Architect out here at our house in the woods.